Tobias Colon 14-day cleanse, advanced gut cleanse detox for women and men with Cascara Sagrada, Psyllium Husk and Senna Leaf. Non-GMO colon cleanse, 28 capsules 1 to 2 daily. About this item, supports digestive health. Dr. Tobias colon cleanse supports healthy and regular bowel movement and elimination to remove buildup in the gut and cleanse toxins and waste from your body. Advanced cleansing formula. Made with the finest herbs, fibers and probiotics, including Cascara Sagrada, Senna Leaf and Psyllium Husk. Includes 28 capsules, 1 to 2 per day, optimized for an effective cleanse and detox. A bowel cleanse for overall health. The gut plays a vital role in overall health and your immune system. Use a colon detox in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle to support digestive function and increase absorption of essential nutrients. Premium quality for 100% satisfaction. Our colon cleanser supplements are made by vitamin experts in a facility that follows GMP or good manufacturing process guidelines. Caution may cause bloating, cramping. See potential side effects in the safety warnings below. A better you starts here. Our mission is to encourage people to become the best version of themselves. Whether you're looking for improved digestive health, an energy boost, or gut detox, we have a nutritional supplement or daily vitamin to help you get there.